Order in court, ladies and gentlemen. Show a little bit of motherfucking respect and raise your glass in the air. For it's the honorable drunken master presiding. Yeah. It's Mike Beth rocking this track with great flair. Set camp cause we ain't going nowhere. The only time you hear me say cheers is with a beer. Yeah. It's Mike Beth rocking this track with great flair. Set camp cause we ain't going nowhere. The only time you hear me say cheers is with a beer. I'm the type of nigga people wanna follow like syllabus, cause I'm sicker than syphilis when I'm spitting this. Call me your wickedness, like Roberto Carlos I'm kicking this. Niggas claim to be fat but they are stick figurish. I couldn't give a flying clitoris what you think of this cause you whack. What you think of this cause you whack. Flow is full of broken English. I'm devilish with the verbal expression. Whenever I'm blessing I set fire like sessions. The most refreshing when I come with the rockets. I'm harnessing darkness. MCs flee like markets. I'm striking targets. Cause I'm a spot. I'm nice with none but I'm devilish with the verbal excavalry. Maneuvering clever in and out of your territory. I'm surprising the enemy and I'm killing them terribly. And I'm a rock till I'm about 170. I hope that I'm perfectly making it clear to y'all. The inner wall, I won't hesitate to slaughter y'all. I murder y'all like the ex-president's ex-wife and murder y'all again when we get to the next life. Like white on rice, I stay on the mic till late in the night, displaying my mic. Maybe I might just make y'all familiar with my schizo one time for my info black people. Yeah. It's Mike Beth rocking this track with great flair. Set camp cause we ain't going nowhere. The only time you hear me say cheers is with a beer. Yeah. It's Mike Beth rocking this track with great flair. Set camp cause we ain't going nowhere. The only time you hear me say cheers is with a beer. You got something to say, well let it be heard. You got beef, well let it emerge, so I can strike you with my venomous words. Cause you's a fake, but you act like you deserve mad respect though. Forever putting on shows like cats at New Metro. I come with more flavor than a packet of Blaze. My lyrical blaze will stimulate your brains for days. There's none meaner, so I take you out if you's a misdemeanor. Quicker than the big brother house did to Nina. Cause your defense is like taking a break, there's nothing to it. Like puberty, even faggots manage to go through it. I got skills and I'll prove it. Pass me the mic, put the lights off and watch me shine bright in the night. People without sight call me the vision they never had. That clever lad is hot like summers in Trinidad and Tobago. When I throw my cards on the table, fuck reaction time cause I start before they say go. Hey yo, that's how I often begin. Spitting a rhyme when I'm letting out the passion within. I'm better than sin, I'm better than Zimbabwe's bank economy. I'm better than the boys on Puff Daddy's record company. In the darkest of times, we still glimmer, sparkle and shine. Harvest the rhyme that will crack your spine. It's bad but it's fine, I'm rising, I never decline. MCs exhibit your hardest cause now is the time. Yeah. It's Mike Beth rocking this track with great flair. Set camp cause we ain't going nowhere. The only time you hear me say cheers is with a beer. Yeah. It's Mike Beth rocking this track with great flair. Set camp cause we ain't going nowhere. The only time you hear me say cheers is with a beer. Always willing and able, it's Mike Beth putting it down for white label. Big up, the Nyambz, Anvils, for black.